36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding while question session, no reading, talking, walking, sleeping, smoking, driving. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Dial Dumpster, ticket number SX4145434. Count one, overweight vehicle. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Respectfully, Samer Jadala, P62186, appearing on behalf of Dial Dumpster.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is now 9:42. No officer has appeared. Do you have a motion?
We make a motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
Okay, this matter is dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Judge. May you and your staff have a wonderful day. Be safe.
You too. Bye.
Mr. Roque, you want to bring everybody out or which one?
I'll bring them out.
You can bring them out. Just need 1 second. Not.
Everyone, please turn on your videos and keep your devices muted. Everyone, turn on your videos, keep your devices muted and remain in the camera. Mr. Horton, remove your hat. You're in front of the judge. Mr. Rogers, get into the camera. Antonio Davis, turn on your video. Daniel Riff, turn on your video. Mr. Doughty, turn on your video. Mr. Horton, Eric Horton, remove your hat. Mr. Ronald Doughty, turn on your video. Ronald Doughty. Okay, everyone, please keep the noise down. Mr. Dakota Rogers, you have to stay in the camera. Mr. Horton, stay in the camera. 36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, you cannot be walking around, talking, sleeping, driving, smoking. When your name is called, unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Daniel Reed, ticket number U45262818, count one, possession of hypodermic syringes or needles prohibited. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Daniel David Reef.
And everyone, it's okay, but just let Mr. Roque say her name first and then you guys go.
Your Honor, Colleen Strokey, Mr. Reef is retained, I believe, no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, who's his lawyer?
His lawyer is Allison Krieger, and she
Oh,
in the breakout room.
she was, okay, we'll recall yours. I don't know what happened to Ms. Krieger. She must have stepped out for a second. Okay. This is the People versus Dakota Rogers. Ticket number SP1201739, count one, driver's license never required. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your
Good
Honor,
morning.
Strokey, yep, Ms. Rogers.
Go ahead, Mr. Rogers.
Dakota Rogers.
Your Honor, regarding Mr. Rogers, at this time he's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Rogers.
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yep.
You saying yes?
Yes.
Raise your, put your hand down. Did you have your right hand raised?
Yeah, I had my right hand raised.
Okay. Okay. Do you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything about you to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
So the court is gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for February 15th at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you. Have a good one, Judge.
You're welcome. Mr. Krieger, are you ready on your matter?
I've not had an opportunity to speak with the city attorney, but this is our first appearance, so I'm happy to separately reach out to her if we want to set a pretrial date.
Okay, we can call it. This is the people versus David Reed, ticket number U45262818. Count one, possession of hypodermic syringes or needles prohibited. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Daniel David Reef.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Krieger for Mr. Reef. We do consent to proceeding virtually.
All right, this matter is set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. You wanted to set this matter for a pretrial?
That's correct, Your Honor. The short of the long is that we would waive formal reading, ask for a not guilty plea to be entered, but I represent Mr. Reef in a few other matters. This will come as no surprise given the charge, but he had a drug problem. He's now been clean for almost 2 years. He's been testing, that's verifiable. I can provide that documentation to the court. But so when I helped him surrender on every outstanding warrant, this one evaded sort of my radar because it's a city ordinance violation, which doesn't typically get entered into lien. So that's why, and when the pre-sentence investigation was done in another matter, this was identified. So when we found out, we immediately surrendered him. So I would ask for bond to be continued, and since he did voluntarily appear, and for a pretrial date to be set.
Okay. Raise your right hand, Mr. Reed. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, yes, Your Honor, I do.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea and set this for a bench trial for February 15th at 9 o'clock.
Oh,
Thank you.
I'm sorry, Judge. I think that there was some confusion. I asked for a pretrial date.
You did initially, and then you said bench trial, and then I said, oh, you want a bench trial, then you didn't say anything, so. Okay.
Oh,
Fine.
sorry, Your Honor. No, that's not accurate. Although I'm encouraged that we'll resolve this short of trial, but my apologies. It's cold and I have the heat going. It's hard to hear.
It's fine, and I probably wasn't speaking loud enough. So we will set this matter for a pre-trial for February 9th at 8:35.
I am unfortunately traveling that day for work. Is there a date? Is there another date that the court could do?
Is the 15th okay for you?
Let me take a look, please. Yes, yep, that morning, definitely.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank
So
you
we'll
very
do
much, yes.
You're welcome. We'll do February 15th at 8:35 for a pre-trial.
We'll see you then. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too, sir.
Ms. Davis, please remain in the camera. Thank you.
Okay, this is the people versus Eric Horton, ticket number SP 1302571, count 1, improper plate. Count 2, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Strelke, on behalf of Mr. Horton. Your Honor, Mr. Horton did provide a registration which expires on 12/1/2023, and insurance that expires on 12/23/2023. I'm asking both those matters be dismissed.
All right, with that, do you stipulate to probable cause?
So stipulated.
All right, these matters are all dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Horton. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, thank you. I also want to ask, is there a way I could get like some documentation or a verbal clearance saying that I could drive again? Because the no insurance put a hold on my suspension and I can't drive any city vehicles.
Once it's put in the system, you
So
can get a clearance for the court downstairs.
once it's put into the system, you can come down to the courthouse to get clearance on the first floor.
Okay, so I have to come up there to get it, I wouldn't be able to do it currently because I'm at work right now.
Or you can go online, you can go online.
Oh, yeah, my supervisor said, can it be faxed over to us?
No, we're not gonna do that. You gotta get it yourself.
Okay, online.
You can just, yeah.
Online, you come down to the courthouse.
Okay.
Okay, so you're all set. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Miss Soroki, what are you doing with Mr. Dandridge?
Mr. Dandridge is getting a bench trial date.
Okay, because he has some other matters. So I'll call everything. All right, this is the people versus Jonathan Dandridge, ticket number P1375815, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. And ticket number P1. 1 second. P1066207, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not a person. Ticket number P117188, count 1, drive and register or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, drove while license not valid or proper license. And then ticket number P1268782, count 1, no, I'm sorry, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Dandridge.
Yes, Jonathan Dandridge. Jonathan Dandridge.
Your Honor, at this time, we're asking all outstanding warrants be set aside. My client's entering a plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Okay, the court will set aside the warrant. Raise your right hand, Mr. Dandridge. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
Okay, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea and set this for a bench trial date for February 15th at 9 o'clock.
okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. This is the people versus John Dennis Rice, rather. Ticket number P1333267, count 2, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Rice. Say your name, sir.
Dennis Rice.
Your Honor, Mr. Rice did show me a license dated 01/19/2027. I'm moving for dismissal of this matter.
You stipulate the proper cause.
So stipulated.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Rice has provided valid documentation. We're all set. Mr. Rice, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
People versus Angelica Dallas. Ticket number P1373519, count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Angelica Dallas.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Dallas. I did have the opportunity to view Ms. Dallas's her registration. It's dated 2/23/2024. I'd move for dismissal of this matter.
You stipulate the proper cause.
So stipulated.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as Ms. Dallas does have valid documentation. You are all set, Ms. Dallas. Good luck to you now.
Okay, thank you.
This is the people versus Davis Daphne, ticket number P1373964. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not a count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Davis Daphne.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Davis Daphne, Your Honor. Mr. Daphne did show me a license that expires on 3/1/2025. Insurance that expires on 6/10/2023, and a registration for 6/14/2023. I'm moving all his matters to be dismissed.
You stipulate the proper cause.
So stipulated.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Daphne has provided valid documentation. You are all set, Mr. Daphne. Daphne, good luck to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. This is Ronald Doughty. Ticket number P1268656, count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. He also has a youth, which is U475455318. It's disorderly conduct.
What's the date on that?
April 4th, 2018.
Mr. Doughty, do you want to wait a few minutes till the city attorney comes back? We can see if we can take care of both these matters.
What's the other one?
Your Honor, regarding the registration, he does have his registration, so that one would be.
Okay, it will probably be a 3-month delayed sentence.
I'm gonna have to look at disorderly conduct. We need the rest. Let's just recall this.
Okay. Okay.
I gotta know what the allegations are. I can
tell you. You want me to tell you, or you want to?
Do you want to just do the other cases and come back?
Okay. This is the people versus Antonio Davis. Ticket number P1387897, count 1, improper plates, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Antonio Davis. Good morning, Your Honor.
Your Honor, there was also another ticket.
Oh, yeah, because this was from 1:30. Got it. I'm sorry. So we're also here on ticket number P1387895, count 1, 26 to 30 miles per hour over posted speed, and count 2, expired plates.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Davis.
Yes, Antonio Davis. How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm well. How are you, sir?
I'm all right.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Davis is entering a plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
All right, so the court's going to continue your not guilty plea. Set this for a bench trial on February 15th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You're all set, sir.
Okay, have a nice day.
You too, sir. All right, this is the people versus Justin Dozier, ticket number SP 1320811, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor,
Justin Dozier.
Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Dozier. Your Honor, Mr. Dozier, I believe the recommendation would be amend this to improper plates. My client's waiving his rights, asking the court to adopt that.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dozier. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
My case and my rights.
Did you talk to the attorney about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Pardon me?
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of February 26, 2022 at 11:10 PM. On that date and time, were you at or near, is this Euclid and Dexter in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you driving a 2010 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No, Your Honor.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to improper plates that will proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine, Mr. Dozier. Can you have that fine paid by February 28th?
$200.
Yes, sir.
I thought there'll be less than that.
No? You need more time to pay that?
Yeah, because I had no insurance. I had no, I was better off going to no insurance.
No, you were not, sir. It would have been the same fine.
I just got a no insurance and it was $130.
That might have been a civil, well, no, even the civil infraction is $195.
It might have been in a different jurisdiction, you know.
All right, well, can you have it paid by? You have it paid by, March, 23rd?
Yes, well, yes, because I'm in school right now, so I should be out of school by then and have a job.
What are you in school for?
I'm actually in school for CDLs, my CDLs.
I'll give you 3 months. April 28th.
Your Honor, what happened to the other tickets? Because I had got 3 tickets that day, and I could have sworn I was supposed to come to court for.
They might have gone into default, or they might be civil infractions, so they went into default, so you still owe them. That's probably what happened to them.
Okay, because I'm just not trying to get no points on my record.
Yeah, you had other tickets, and you already owe $105 for, I don't know what this is. Failed to signal on turn or leaving curb, that went into default, so you owe $105 for that. You have a drove in unsafe manner, so you owe $170 for that. They also charged you with a no proof of insurance, which is $195. So you already owe all that too. And then
But I thought I just got that no proof of insurance waived for the no proper
you know
plate.
what? Because they're already in default, I'm gonna just waive this fine.
Thank you, Your
I
Honor.
already owe a bunch of money.
All right,
I'm gonna
thank
waive
you.
this fine because you got all that other money you need to pay.
Thank you. I appreciate it, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You're all set.
All right. I could go now.